Most traders spend weeks trying to learn PineScript on TradingView, but not me. I did it in less than 10 minutes using Claude. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I took a Bollinger Band and RSI strategy I found on the internet, handed it to Claude, and got a fully working PineScript back, ready to drop straight into TradingView. No coding, no guessing, no wasted time. I'll walk you through the strategy, the exact prompt I use, how to import it in seconds, and automate the trading process using webhooks. And stick around until the end because I'll show you how to get all my prompts, strategies, and setups, and how to build your own agentic trading bot with Claude that can trade crypto, stocks, indices, and more. So let's get into it. All right, guys, step number 1, sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using Ubit. This is one of my favorite exchanges for futures trading right now, and they've got some serious bonuses for new users. Up to $50,000 in bonuses just for signing up and trading using my link down below. If Ubit doesn't work for you, you can use Blofin as an alternative. Blofin doesn't require mandatory KYC verification for basic trading, which means you can start trading immediately. Plus, new users can earn up to 5,000 USDT through deposit and trading volume bonuses. I'll link both down below. Once you're on the Ubit page, you can sign up with your email, your phone number, or connect via Google or Apple ID. For this tutorial, I'll use email. Just enter your details, create a strong password, agree to the terms of service, and click sign up. Enter the email verification code and your account is ready. The whole process takes less than 30 seconds. And keep in mind, Ubit is a non-KYC platform. You do not need to complete identity verification to start trading. That makes it accessible even in restricted regions, and it means you can start trading almost instantly after signing up. Go to your wallet and click deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. USDT is ideal for trading. Then select your deposit network. I recommend TRC20. It's fast and the fees are very low. You'll then see your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully. Go to your current exchange or wallet. Paste the address and send your funds. Always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, just to confirm everything arrives correctly before sending the full amount. This is very important. Sending on the wrong network can mean losing your funds. If you don't have crypto yet and want to buy directly on Ubit, that's also possible. But for this, you will need to complete KYC first. Go to your profile icon on the home page and click KYC. Click Verify Now. Provide your email, your personal information, your verification documents, and a selfie. Once that's approved, you can use the Quick Buy option on Ubit to purchase crypto directly with fiat currency using a credit or debit card. If you already have crypto on another exchange or wallet, you can skip KYC entirely and just deposit directly, which is the faster option for most people. Click on Futures in the top navigation bar and click on USDT-M. This will bring you to the Ubit Futures trading interface. Now, it might look a little overwhelming at first, but I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. In the top left, you have the trading pair selector. This is where you choose which asset to trade. Ubit has over 500 trading pairs, from Bitcoin and Ethereum all the way to meme coins and major altcoins. You can select between USDT margin perpetuals and coin margin perpetuals, which are trade settled in your own crypto instead of USDT. In the center is the price chart powered by TradingView, with all the drawing tools and technical indicators you need for analysis. On the right side is the order book, showing all live buy and sell orders in the market. And at the bottom is your order management panel. This is where you track your open positions, open orders, and trade history. Everything you need is right here on one screen. All right, now for the strategy itself, we're going to be using TradingView. I have a link down below to my TradingView link. If you use that, you will get a small discount when you purchase the Pro version. I'm going to use the Bitcoin chart. The first thing you need to do is set up the Bollinger Bands on your TradingView. Now go to the indicators, type Bollinger Bands, and click on this one. Then you'll need to change the default setting right over here for this specific trading strategy. Go to the length section, set it as 30, and keep the standard deviation at 2. If you want to customize your choice, don't forget that the central line represents the moving average based on the length value, and the lower and upper lines are standard deviation lines. Now that you have the Bollinger Band set up, it's time to add RSI, Relative Strength Index. For this, head over to Indicators again and type in RSI. Click on the top result, which should be the relative strength index. Now you should make sure that the upper band is on the number 70 and the lower band is on 30. RSI is a very helpful tool for determining if a cryptocurrency is being overbought or oversold. If it's above 70, it means it's overbought. If it's below 30, it's oversold. Now let's compare these two indicators to find potentially profitable trades. If the price goes above the top Bollinger Band, you can enter a short position. But if the price goes below the bottom Bollinger Band, you can enter a long position. Sometimes the price may cross those bands a few times, and you can see a lot of false signals right over here. In fact, if you acted on every single signal, you would probably lose a lot of money. So we cannot do that for sure. To solve this problem, you're going to add our second indicator, RSI. If the price dropped below the lower Bollinger Band and the RSI falls to the lower level around 30, you will open a long position. But if the price goes above the upper Bollinger Band and the RSI reaches around 70 level, it's time to open a short position. Let me get you some examples here. If the price starts to fall below the lower Bollinger Band, as you can see here, but the RSI is not quite at its ideal level yet, that shows that it's oversold. You can hold on until the RSI dips to the 30 level, which eventually will reach, as you can see here. Just when the RSI drops to the 30 level or below, you will see that the Bitcoin price is on the lower Bollinger Band or below. Then you can jump on a long position on Bybit or Bitunix. As you can see, after you open your long position, the price bounces back up as predicted. If you like to open short positions, the strategy is the same. Just open a short position if the Bitcoin price reaches the upper Bollinger Band and at the same time reaches the overbought zone on the RSI, the 70 level or above. One thing to notice is that if the market moves sideways, this strategy is not the best. Most trading strategies have a hard time predicting market movements in those conditions. But back to the chart, you can see here that the Bitcoin price drops below the Bollinger Band, where the RSI is in the oversold zone. But the problem is that the price continues crashing even more. If you entered the trade right here, you would suffer a massive loss. To avoid this money loss, you need to pay attention to detecting the earliest signs of big price movements even before they happen. Check out how the Bollinger Bands are skinny now and close together. You can see the market is moving sideways, which is not good. Plus the RSI moves also in between the lower and upper lines and doesn't go above or below the major points of overbought and oversold. All of this is a very, very big red flag. We don't want to go in here. In these cases, just avoid the trade at all. But let me show you the perfect example to open the perfect trade that will give you that expected 92% win rate. Here, the price is falling below the lower Bollinger Band and then goes back above again. But then the price starts to come back down, making a new lower low from the previous low. But if you take a look at the RSI, you can see that the RSI just made a higher low. That's bullish divergence. Bullish divergence is characterized by the formation of progressively lower lows by the price candles. At the same time, the RSI forms progressively higher lows. This is one of your best chances to open a long position because you will have a high chance to profit. On the other hand, if the price is pumping to the upper Bollinger Band and then comes back down again, then the price starts to go up again, making a new higher high from the previous high. But if you take a look at the RSI, you can see the RSI just made a new lower high. That's a bearish divergence, the perfect opportunity to open a short position. Using the Bollinger Bands and the RSI at the same time, it's a very, very, very good strategy, and I've had so much success with that, as you can clearly see here. So now you understand exactly how this strategy works manually. But here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of watching charts all day and doing this manually, I gave this exact strategy to Claude and asked it to write me a full Pine script. So TradingView can automatically detect these signals for me. And this is the prompt I used. I'm going to show it on screen right now so you can copy it exactly. That's it. That's the full prompt. You paste that into Claude. I'm using Claude code here, and within seconds, it spits out a complete working Pine script in a notepad. Open that file, press Ctrl+A to select all of the code, then Ctrl+C to copy it. That's everything you need. Now let's get it into TradingView. By the way, this exact prompt, along with the specific Pine script used in this video, is available in my WAP group. You can find the link down below. Open TradingView and go to any chart. I'll use Bitcoin again. At the bottom right of the screen, click on the Pine Script Editor tab, the one that looks like a pine tree. Once the editor's open, you'll see some default code in there. Just select all of it and delete it. Then paste in the code that Claude just gave you. Now click Add to Chart. That's the button at the top right of the Pine Script Editor. TradingView will compile the script and apply it directly to your chart. And there it is. You can see the Bollinger Bands on the chart, the RSI panel below, and the buy and sell signals automatically plotted. Green arrows for longs, red arrows for shorts. The high confidence divergence signals are labeled separately, so you know which setups are the strongest. To set up alerts, click the alarm clock icon at the top of TradingView, select Create Alert, and in the condition dropdown, you'll see the alert conditions that Claude added, long signal and short signal. Set those up and TradingView will notify you the moment a signal fires. So now instead of watching the chart manually, TradingView is doing all the work for you. The moment the Bollinger Band and RSI conditions line up, especially on a divergence, you get an alert straight to your phone. Now, if you want to take this even further and have a trade open automatically on your exchange the moment a signal fires, I've got you covered. I put together a private group where I share all of my use cases for Claude Code, from integrating it with Telegram, TradingView, and searching for whales on Hyperliquid. All automatically. Everything I showed you today, it's all inside the group. And I'm constantly adding new stuff, new strategies, new prompts, new integrations. Every time I build something new, it goes straight in there. The price is $79.99 a month. And honestly, when you think about what this actually is, the most cutting-edge AI trading setup available to retail traders right now, constantly updated with everything included. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that's it, guys. That's how you take a strategy from the internet, hand it to Claude, and get a working Pine script in TradingView. No coding, no manual chart watching. If you want to see a full demo of how I trade using only my Telegram and the full demo of all use case on TradingView, click the video popping on screen right now. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.